Hey WordPress users! Welcome to WP Interactions. In this video, you will learn how to create parallax animations right in the WordPress block editor using WP Interactions. The parallax effect gives the illusion of movement where closer elements move faster than farther elements. First, we need to add an interaction. Here's how to do it. Click on Add Interaction in the toolbar. Choose Page Interaction and select while page is scrolling. This interaction allows us to add actions at certain scroll percentages. Now it's time to add the actions. We'll start with this block on the right, which will be the closest element. Go to the action timeline and click Add Action. Select Move from the options. In the Apply To settings, select the blue block. Here, we're setting the y-axis value to make the block come all the way from the bottom. Then we'll add another move action for the same block and move it all the way up. This time, set the position to 100%. Next, let's do the farthest element, which will be this image block. Add a new move action and select the image block as the applied element. Instead of moving the block from the bottom, the image will now come from the top. Now set the position to 0%. Copy and paste this action using Command-C and Command-V. In the pasted action, move the image block down a bit along the y-axis. Then let's set the position to 100%. Now we have two elements set up for our parallax animation. Let's toggle on the live preview to see how it looks so far. See how the closer block is moving at a fast rate, while the farther block is moving slower, creating the parallax illusion. Finally, let's do the third block with a speed in between fast and slow. Add another move action. Select the block on the left and move it down a bit. Now set the position to 0%. Let's copy and paste this action. And in the pasted action, let's move it up. But this time, not as much as our first element. We're done with setting up our parallax animation. Let's hit save and preview this in the front end. Now the parallax effect is in full motion. You'll see the three elements moving at different speeds. The blocks that should appear closer move faster, while the blocks that should appear farther move slower. And that's it! You've successfully created a parallax animation in the WordPress block editor. This effect adds a dynamic feel to your site by adding depth and motion to your blocks. Thanks for watching!